Hello everyone, so here comes our first practice question of the series. In this question, an equation is given and we have to find the value of x. Apparently it seems an easy question, but this is tricky one as we have to solve it in 1 minute and 45 seconds on average. So how a normal person will do it? He will apply the binomial expansion formula to 3x plus 1 whole square. Through rearrangement and simplification, a quadratic equation will be obtained and then the value of x will be determined. But in terms of GRE, this is not a right method because it's going to take a lot of time. So here comes the shortcut. So first of all, replace 3x plus 1 with another variable. Let's say u. Now a quadratic equation will be obtained and then you will apply the factorization technique. So now we have 49 and 14. So a combination of 7 and 7 will give 49 on multiplication and 14 on addition. As you can see, we have minus sign with 14u. So this means our factors will be minus 7 and minus 7. So now the value of u will be obtained, which comes out to be 7, and then the value of x will be determined. So there are two advantages of this shortcut method. Number one, no massive simplification steps are required, and number two, there is no need to apply binomial expansion formula. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more practice questions of GRE quantitative section.